Have you recently replaced your roof or maybe are about to do so? Hi, it's Marisa with Coldwell Banker Apex, and I'm going to ask you to stop whatever you're doing right now and go and find those roofing documents and keep them in a very safe place. Let me explain what's going on here in North Texas. So it used to be that if I was selling a house and the buyer asked me when was the roof replaced, I could say 2020 and they would say great, and they could get insurance no problem. Now, in order to get insurance, they have to have an actual paid invoice from a roofer with exactly what was done. And if they can't provide that, a lot of times the insurance companies will not provide insurance for that home. So these roofing documents became a lot more valuable. Please keep them in a safe place, and you might just need them when you go to sell. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back next month with more information.